Do you have an Apple Watch and feel like you haven't explored all its features yet? Stick around for this video and learn how to get the absolute most out of your smartwatch. Let's get right into it. First, if you want to quickly silence loud calls or notifications, go to Settings, tap Sounds and Haptics, and turn on Cover to Mute. Now, whenever an incoming call or notification comes in, simply cover the watch screen with your palm and it will mute instantly. It's perfect for meetings or quiet spaces. Second, to control your watch using hand gestures, open the Watch app on your iPhone. On the My Watch tab, tap Accessibility, select AssistiveTouch, turn it on, and tap Hand Gestures. Here you can set up 4 different gestures to perform specific actions without touching the screen. Third, if your Apple Watch ever freezes or becomes unresponsive, you can do a force restart. Just press and hold both the digital crown and the side button at the same time for about 10 seconds until you see the white Apple logo appear. Fourth, if you're someone who is always running late, go to Settings, tap Clock, select +0 minutes, and adjust it. For example, set it 10 minutes ahead. The time on your watch face will be set ahead, but your alarms and notifications will still sound at the actual time. Fifth, a great tip to save battery when you're away from a charger for a long time is to turn off the Always On display. Go to Settings, tap Display and Brightness, and toggle off Always On. This applies to Apple Watch models with OLED screens and will give you extra hours of usage. Sixth, to take screenshots on your watch, go to Settings, tap General, find Screenshots, and turn the feature on. Now, whenever you press the digital crown and the side button simultaneously, you'll capture a screenshot. Seventh, you can actually control your iPhone directly from your Apple Watch. Go to Settings, tap Accessibility, and select Control Nearby Devices. Choose your iPhone, and you can perform actions on your phone remotely without touching its screen. With these features, you'll be able to get so much more out of your Apple Watch. If this video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.